Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button, also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about how to make money with ChatGPT, so make sure to watch the full video. Late last month, OpenAI released ChatGPT, a new AI tool that can tell stories and write code. ChatGPT is a prototype artificial intelligence chatbot developed by OpenAI, which specializes in dialogue. The chatbot is a large language model fine-tuned with both supervised and reinforcement learning techniques. Recently, the company has presented ChatGPT for public testing. OpenAI claims that researchers have trained the ChatGPT to interact with users in a conversational way, making it accessible to a wider group of people. As per OpenAI, the AI chatbot helps in businesses and has the potential to take over certain roles traditionally held by humans, such as copywriting, answering customer service inquiries, writing news reports, and creating legal documents, which will make humans more available to focus on some critical areas. There are multiple ways through which ChatGPT will help you make money. Here in this post, we will discuss the top 10 ways ChatGPT will help you make money in business. ChatGPT is excellent at answering general-purpose and industry-specific questions. The release of ChatGPT by OpenAI has taken the internet by storm, and rightly so. Using ChatGPT, brands can save time and energy that would otherwise be spent training their chatbot on industry-related questions. Since ChatGPT already has this expertise, it can immediately provide customers with detailed responses about a particular industry or domain. With some positive features, ChatGPT will help you make money in business. ChatGPT can solve business-specific use cases with training. ChatGPT has been trained with billions of data points for a generic application. It's possible to use it for something as specific as conversational commerce, but very few players have the muscle to train it. But if we manage to teach ChatGPT, we can use it to solve business-specific use cases. It is among the top 10 ways ChatGPT will help you in business. ChatGPT can be effective as a tool. While ChatGPT is a great tool to process unparalleled knowledge and tap it with human-like conversations, taking action on these conversations requires APIs that connect with other relevant systems. Payment systems, marketing platforms, and commerce platforms are critical for conversational commerce integrations with CRM systems. Many companies have succeeded in conversational commerce by implementing an out-of-the-box integration ecosystem with leading platforms like Shopify, Salesforce, Zendesk, Razorpay, Payout, and others to support end-to-end customer journeys. Without such integrations, the ROI of a tool like ChatGPT is tough to justify. ChatGPT can predict questions. In conversational AI, knowing the right question is as important as knowing the correct answer. Customer queries can seem unending and difficult to prioritize when a brand builds its first chatbot. However, ChatGPT, combined with Haptic's smart skills, identifies and builds ready-to-use conversation flows for the top use cases customers need to get in touch with the brand, making this process much simpler. ChatGPT can reduce the training time of conversational AI models. ChatGPT offers a few practical benefits to businesses, but one of the best is that it has the existing seed data to construct a bot. Using deep learning, ChatGPT grasps different ways customers might phrase queries, so brands don't need to add a bunch of query variations to their bots. With Haptic's AI recommendations and feedback loops, chatbots can keep augmenting data until they become self-learning. ChatGPT has become next Google. From coding neural networks to just fixing a code with a query, ChatGPT can answer everything in between. There are many examples of why the latest model is a potential substitute for Google search. Generates prompts for AI generators. AI generators have been at the forefront of artistic image creation since the release of DALL 2, Midjourney, and other tools in the domain. Leaping ahead, OpenAI's model can help generate a well-detailed prompted scenario for these generators. Use ChatGPT as a Linux terminal. Possibly one of the coolest things you can get OpenAI ChatGPT to do is to pretend it's a fully functioning Linux terminal. You can even use Linux commands, create files and directories, and a lot more. Heck, you can even write and compile code within the terminal and execute it if you want. Debug code. If you're a programmer, one of the applications of ChatGPT that will undoubtedly prove useful for you is to help debug your code and even spot some vulnerabilities. Basically, if you ask ChatGPT to check a piece of code for bugs, it will not only do so, but also explain what the bug is, and an example or more of how you can implement a potential fix. Solve the problem of unstructured data. Amidst the data revolution, unstructured data is a nuisance. The problem is that they are hard to sort, manage, and organize. ChatGPT comes to the rescue as it can turn unstructured data into structured data. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also subscribe to our channel before you go. Thank you for watching.